Hi, this is Aurangzeb Alam and you're watching Make Coding Easy YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to show you variables in Python. Variables is a name which is used to differ memory location. Variable also known as identifier and used to hold values. Now we will see in online editor that how a variable is holding a values. Now we will open our Google Chrome. We will open this Python compiler. It is an online Python compiler to run Python code online. Here I am writing a variable name that is anything we can write and assigning a value that is 10. So first I will print it and see if I am writing a correct variable name or not. It is giving the result and there is no any error, means we have assigned a perfect value correctly. In Python, we don't need to specify the type of variable because Python is a type infer language and smart enough to get variables. Variables names can be a group of both letters and digits, but they have to begin with a letter or an underscore, and variable name must not contain any white space or special character, and it should also not be similar to any keyword defined in the language. Now let's open our online compiler and check how to create a variable name, and if we do any mistakes by writing white spaces, a special character, keywords, then it will give error. So let's do this, let's check this in online compiler. Now I will open the Google Chrome. In Google Chrome I will open the Python online compiler. This is our online Python compiler. Give a comment to know that comment is given to make people understand that what you are going to do. That comment is not doing any work in our program. It is not affecting anything. So I'm giving variable name. Let's give a variable name id and I'm assigning a value that is 109. Now I will print this, run it. So it is not giving any error, means this the assigning value in id is correct. So let's try more. Variable ends with digit. id 2 is equal to 100. Print id 2. Again there is no any error, means this is also correct. Now we will write variable name starts with underscore. There is no any error, means we are writing, we are our program is running correctly. Now we will write variable name starts with digit. As we see, it is giving error only because starting with digit is not allowed. It is not valid in Python programming language. So we will check some more example. Some special character is also not, like special character is not valid in variable name in Python. Print a at the rate. So if I will run it, it is giving error. Like I write $b is equal to 200. Print $b. Again it is giving invalid syntax. Invalid syntax. So a special character is not allowed. n percentage 4 is equal to 99. Print n percentage 4. See, it is giving error. Now we will see if there is white space, then it is also not valid. So see, I given a white space between Tinku and Alam, and now I am writing 1, 2, 3. Print Tinku, Alam. Run this. This is giving error. Keywords are the reserved word in the Python. We cannot use a keyword as variable name, function name, or any other identifier. So how we will know that how many keywords are there in Python? For that we have some code to run. Now let's write import keyword. Print keyword dot kw list, and if we will run it, here all the keywords are given. Means any variable which we are making, which we are creating by these keywords, will give syntax error. Like say, if I am using this alif, so here I am writing alif is equal to 100. Print alif, it will give syntax error. See, this is syntax error. Anything, any keyword, if we use in variable name, then it will give us error, syntax error. So let's see how many these keywords are there in Python. So for that I will write print length keyword dot kw list. Total number of keywords in Python language are 33. So hope you understand about variable in Python, and how we can create variable, which variable will give syntax error. So for creating a variable, it is easy now. We know that a variable in Python is case sensitive. So let's check. If I'm assigning a value in a is equal to 10, means I'm assigning 10 in variable name a. So I will say that what is the location ID. I will check the location ID of this variable a, that is print id a. See, this is the memory location of variable a in which value 10 has been assigned. So here what we see, this is 93989366457056. Suppose let's make a comment of this. Here we will see, if we want to make comment, either we will take three double quote or single quote, and inside that, if whatever we are writing, that is multi-line comment. So this has become multi-line comment, and if we will run, there is no any result will come. It will not affect our program. So now I am giving capital A is equal to same value 10, and I'm checking print ID capital A, and if I run this program, then I will say that this is totally different from earlier what we checked in a small a. So this shows that it is case sensitive. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please do subscribe and share my video to your friends if you like it, and see you in next video. Thank you very much.